Let's dive into Pillar 1 of the reuse method, measuring and data collection. To get started, you'll want to collect some information before you implement any digital part reuse projects. Effective digital part reuse requires a little work up front, but will save you a lot of time over the life of a project. You'll need to collect some information so you can understand how your company currently handles reuse. For example, figure out the percentage of purchased parts, which vendors are preferred and the reasoning for their status, and why your company chooses to manufacture parts versus buying them. Having a good before and after snapshot is helpful for your analysis, but it's also a good tool to present your workflow to leadership. As we'll discuss in later videos, talking about saving time is not as compelling as showing how much time you were able to save. Having documentation and notes before and after you've implemented a new process will help you bring change to your organization. You'll also need to figure out how much time it takes you on average to search for, document, and test a part. You need to determine how often you're creating parts that have the potential to be reused as standard parts. What is the percentage of parts engineers reuse in multiple designs? You want to keep a log of how often you're searching for parts and how long it takes you to find the right fit. Keep the data and information you gather accessible for future use.